Before cleaning any HyperX mouse, the first and most important step is to disconnect it from your computer to prevent damage and ensure safety. Understanding your mouse components is crucial for effective cleaning. Modern HyperX mice contain several key areas that require regular maintenance. Button cleaning is essential for maintaining responsiveness. Clean all buttons, including primary left and right clicks, side buttons, DPI adjustment buttons, and the scroll wheel using a damp microfiber cloth. Sensor cleaning is the most critical maintenance task for maintaining tracking accuracy. Use a dry cotton swab with gentle circular motions to clean the optical or laser sensor. Never use liquids on the sensor. Regular exterior cleaning prevents buildup of oils and debris. Clean the shell, cable connections, and mouse feet regularly. Mouse feet are crucial for smooth gliding and should be kept free of dust and debris. Remember these essential cleaning practices. Always disconnect first, clean buttons weekly, prioritize sensor cleaning for optimal tracking, and maintain all exterior surfaces regularly. Proper maintenance will significantly extend your HyperX mouse lifespan and performance. Proper HyperX mouse maintenance requires the right cleaning products. Let's examine the essential supplies you'll need for effective cleaning. Isopropyl alcohol at 70 to 99% concentration is the gold standard for electronics cleaning. It evaporates quickly and removes oils and debris effectively. Compressed air is essential for removing dust and debris from hard-to-reach areas like sensor cavities and button gaps without physical contact. Microfiber cloths and cotton swabs provide precise cleaning control. Microfiber cloths clean surfaces without scratching, while cotton swabs handle detailed work around sensors and buttons. Safety is paramount when cleaning electronics. Always disconnect your mouse before cleaning and never submerge it in liquid. Allow complete drying before reconnecting to prevent damage. Maintenance frequency depends on your usage pattern. Competitive gamers need daily sensor cleaning and weekly deep cleans. Casual users can clean weekly with monthly comprehensive maintenance. Office users typically need only bi-weekly cleaning. Proper maintenance delivers significant benefits. You can extend your mouse lifespan from 2 to 3 years up to 5 to 7 years. Clean sensors maintain 99.8% tracking accuracy, while neglected mice drop to 85 to 90% accuracy.